What is going on out there, peeps? Okay, so anyways, I did another stock watch video and then realized I never did upload it. So let's just start over from scratch. So we were around, I think it was 54% last time. Let's see how we're doing now that the markets are closed. One thing's for sure, there's been a run on gold and silver, not surprising. And even cryptocurrencies are continuing their healthy climb. Okay, so we're going to get into that. Just a quick reminder, if you are thinking of getting into precious metals, please consider giving our friends over there at Money Metals Exchange some consideration when buying your precious metals. The link will be in the description. If you are new there and you buy more than $100 worth of precious metals, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and you will get some free silver. Now, before I was showing you, not that one is funny, I was showing you guys that Trump's been dropping all kinds of hints about gold and silver. He's still doing it, by the way. Still, it's continuing. He's dropped lots of them. He's even hinted about it in a couple of the way he was verbalizing something. So there's definitely something going on with gold and silver that we really need to keep an eye on. All right, I'm just letting you know for your own good. There is already a couple of people, of course, because they had a lot of money to start with. Between my stock watch video and my suggestions on gold and silver, with the increases in the stocks and the increases on the gold and silver, have made a very, very large amount of profit. So I'm very happy for them. More than a handful of you guys have let me know, and I'm look again. I'm happy that, you know, if anything that I'm sharing or suggesting to you helps improve your lives, by all means. I mean, it makes me feel good. So, anyways, I told you there was a couple of people who bought into one of the stocks and or two of the stocks, and yeah, they're really pleased about that. But nonetheless, let's get into this. Pimpy's Investment Chat. That's right, we have a Facebook group with the same name as the YouTube channel. In here we do talk about gold, silver, cryptocurrencies, as well as other currency opportunities. Nothing else in here. I don't want to see no politics. Nothing else. It's free to join. The hidden things are in front of your eyes. Over here you can talk about politics. We talk about NESARA, GESARA. Over here, current events, politics, QAnon, false flag events, the whole 9 yards. All right, so the links for Money Metals, the hidden things in front of your eyes, and Pimpy's Investment Chat will be in the description. And for those of you, because people are now really starting to jump on the whole cryptocurrency bandwagon, in the description is a link where you could go buy cryptocurrencies. Feel free to use it. If you follow the link, you will get $10 free just for joining. So let's see what's going on with our little portfolio. Okay, so here we are. Here's our original investments right here. So I'm going to show you some. Well, I'll show you something at the end. So here we go. It's 31 cents when we first started with Discovery Metal. Is now up to $1.90. Endeavor. Both these minor stocks are kicking ass, just so you know. Look at Endeavor was $1.45 when we first started talking. It's now up to $4.06. Alexco, $1.48, now $2.88. First Majestic, $7.53, now $12.97. Meg Silver was $9.87, now $16.53. Silvercrest was $6.41, now $9.42. Now here's the two velocity ones, and I'm not sure if I'm understanding these wrong or what, but they don't seem to be moving. So I'm going to make a move on those. So they're still the same in price. Look at that, WTI. The oil company starting to move again. Was $2.11, now $2.53. XRP finally joining the world of the living. It went from 18 cents on up to 29. XLM is 5 cents. It's just a little above, or it's just slightly below 11 cents, but this particular spreadsheet rounded for some reason. Ethereum was 173.41, is now 395.11. Was up to $400 for a minute there. USAA Precious Metals, 1706, is now 24.46. Bitcoin was 6,880.32, is now 11,852.82. There was some kind of corrections made, or corrections were made on the cryptocurrencies because Bitcoin was actually above 12,000. So lawn care for biopharma, $31.12, now $32.40. Lawn care immunotherapy, 26. Something tells me I corrected that So I'll take a look at it a little bit, but that doesn't look right for it to be the same price. So let's see here. What is this? ARC is 56.27, is now 58.33. Drexion, look at this, 63.70 is up to 161.92. Pan America Silver, 1974, is now 36.25. Fortuna was $2.38, is now $6.52, looking good. Wheaton Precious Metals, 35.01, is now 52.75. Silver Corp, $3.36, more than doubled, is now $8.06. Bear Gold, 24.82, is now 28.72. My friends over there in Canada, man, these stocks aren't moving very good, and I have a feeling they're going to, but just at the moment they are not. But something tells me they're going to take off. Okay, so Calinex was $2.35, dropped down a little bit to $2.32. Gold mining was $2.32, is now $2.26. So I kind of took a little bit of a hit. Let's look at it overall real quick here. So you can see my gold and silver. Let's get into a couple of things here because I wanted to show you guys something. So see these banking? I'm banking these bad boys. I'm getting rid of them because they're not performing the way I thought they were. I don't know how, I must be reading these wrongs, but nonetheless, they don't seem to be moving at all. So I'm going to bank them in and trade it in for gold and silver. So the next spreadsheet, you will see an increase in gold and silver down here. I keep showing you different dates because the value of gold and silver is different from when we originally purchased it. So again, these are the values that are the increase on the gold and silver investments. So they look nice, looks really good. So I'm going to get rid of those. Which one was I talking about? Okay, so look here. See where it says investment is now 0? The reason for that is when we did what's called shavings. That's what I did was I took out our original $10,000 investment out of there. That's what I did. And then put it into gold and silver down here. Okay, so those have been removed. I just wanted to show you because I told you when you're buying gold and silver, some of you are scared. You're scared to make that move. But I'm saying to you, look, if you're scared here, you put the money in, let's say you get $50,000. You put it into gold. I'm just making this up as an example. If all of a sudden it gets somewhere around 75,000, then maybe you sell back 25,000. Then what? Your only risk is 25,000. See what I'm saying? Or if you double your money, it becomes 100,000. Then maybe you sell 50,000 back. So then you're just playing with house money. That's what I did here. Okay, so I sold back my original investment and put it into gold and silver, but I left in the amounts that I have made. The profits above my original investment is where I am here. So I'm going to take out, just so you know this, I'm going to take these two out. They won't be there on the next go around. Right now I'm getting killed on these two Canada ones. Not a lot, but nonetheless, we're still at 54%. Not too bad compared to where we were, but I definitely need to do something about these little boogers over here. As I was saying before, cryptocurrencies, we're doing really good. They have a nice, slow, steady growth going on, which is what we like to see. So let's hope that continues. People keep asking me, Pimpy, which is your favorite? I said it a million times. I'm a fan of Ethereum. All right, and Ethereum seems to be doing pretty good. Now, Bitcoin, it was up above 12,000. It's come back just a little bit. And Ethereum was above 400, and it has come back a little bit. XRP was above 30 cents. It came back just a little bit. But that's okay. That's just market correction. It's not pumping and dumping. I'm still anticipating them continuing their slow, good bull run. Okay, so let's get over here to gold and silver because this is big. You can see these levels for gold and silver are being supported. This is good. This is what we like. That means people are willing to pay this price. No. And they're easily paying this price to buy gold and silver. So somebody said, when is the correction coming, or the retraction? And I was like, well, not so much traction, maybe like a correction. You have a market correction is what it is. So if a market correction, I'm expecting it to happen this month, but I'm not so sure, man. It looks a couple of times like we started to see a little bit of a pullback, and then it just shot right back up. And even if you do see the type of pullback, even if it does drop 10% on both of them, yeah, people are not, you're not going to see people that sell bullion. I'd be surprised if you see them drop at all. They understand that the supply and demand right now is big. There's not a whole lot of it out there. And now you have people openly talking about it in the mainstream media, they're encouraging their investors to go out and purchase into gold and silver. All right, so not too shabby. That's where we are with the portfolio. It hasn't moved much, but I am going to go ahead and bank in those two and invest them into the current prices of gold and silver so that I can get rid of those, because I still am anticipating more of a run on gold and silver is what I'm going to be watching for. Trump keeps dropping hints. I don't know when he's going to pull the trigger on it, but make sure you're aboard this train. If you're interested, the link for them, Money Metals Exchange, is in the description. Come on over, buy some precious metals. It doesn't hurt. When people have IRA accounts or retirement accounts, I think a good idea just to protect your money just in case is to get about 20-25% of that money and put it into gold and silver. So if nothing happens, you still have your original investments sitting there. Your stock's safe, everything's good. But if the doo-doo hits the fan, at least the gold and silver will go up and it'll protect the money that you had in there. Okay, does that make sense? All right, you guys. So that's it for now. I just wanted to let you know that, yeah, I did not forget the stock watch. I had one done on Friday. Forgot to upload it. All right, that's it for now. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I appreciate it. Thank you.